we make some more noise for Japan, please? Yeah. Yeah.
That was an amazing performance. So, the next country in our program takes us to the eastern region of Africa.
I know this does confuse a lot of people, but contrary to public belief, Africa is actually a continent, not a country. And
Clock
actually
in.
is the continent with the most countries in it in the whole world. Yeah.
Clock in. This next dance pays homage to traditions from countries like Kenya, Rwanda, and Uganda.
Rwanda's known for its native gorilla population and also having one of the highest ratios of women in parliament, 60%. Yeah. Tell me about it, sister. Also, Uganda, known as the Pearl of Africa because it has immense, immense, immense natural beauty.
That's amazing. Kenya is also home to world-famous long-distance runners such as Eliud Kipchoge and dazzling natural features like the Great Rift Valley.
Wait, Great Rift Valley? Is that rift like the Grand Canyon rift or like the rift between Clark and its student workers?
I'm gonna go with the first one.
Oh, okay, makes sense.
Well, please join me welcoming on the choreographer for this dance, Keisha and Wamboy.
Habari yako? My name is Wamboy and I'm from Kenya.
Muraho neza, my name is Keisha, I'm a senior and I'm from Rwanda.
So, as you know, we're representing East Africa, which is home to beautiful people, animals, amazing food and music. But for this performance, we wanted to use two important sounds to us, which is secular and religious music. One provides celebration and enjoyment, and the other one provides us with hope and faith. And though these two are so distinct, somehow they come together so harmoniously to create our culture. We hope you enjoy it, and we also hope that you can get up off your feet and move it. Thank you so much.
King of the jungle, love child, first lady, Washington Hammer.
Honey Hall.
Ladies and gentlemen, introducing East African Bashman crew. They know them fire. Work it, who know them fire? Work it, who know we fire? Work it, who know we fire? Work it, fire, fire. You know we fire. Yes, man, we fire. You know we fire. Lady, you know we fire.
Inna the club, everybody just push up your hand. Hey ho, hey ho. Put your girl on the block, put you wind up your waist. Hey ho, hey ho. Hey, Scamares, 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 Scamares. Na mamazi wa Nairobi wanapenda kujiringa, wanapenda kujiringa, na wakishika flow bado wadunda, wanadunda dunda, kadunda dunda, kadunda dunda, kadu, wanadunda dunda, kadunda dunda, kadunda dunda, kadu.
Art gangs all over the world. Original King Julian for the case man. I love how all the girls move their body. And when you move your body, you move it nice and sweet and sassy. Alright?
Toka neti pesa sana pendeza na tena na enjoy na wanangu maombo wakamtinda soma na kamwili kananona we mwenyewe si unaona yani ainasema bora bora ni